Well, on the way back we found another little abandoned Explorer. I believe it's a warehouse. I'm not going to give away the location on this one because we don't know what the situation is with it, but we're going to have a look inside and we'll see what we find. Oh, look at that chair. Oh, I like the chair.
Good old H&P record.
Okay, you don't see that logo very much. Out, oh there we go, danger, keep out, police dogs training day and night. Well, I won't go through all that, but there's sensitive.
Do you get a bit confused? Would you like Windows 6?
I'm not going to give away too much because obviously.